Okay, so I want to show you this. This is not finished. Of course, it's got to be sanded more, but this is what is the gist of it. I hope you approve of this. These pegs are going to be for the top to lock on, basically. And then I know you guys said one show. I went ahead and threw two in here. I hope that's okay. But basically, what's going to happen is the shelves are going to lock in. They're going to have a nipple on end, and they're going to lock in on these ends so it holds it in shape, both of them. And these are grinded like this because it will fold up. Now this, you'll pull the hinge pin. I'll make that hinge pin easier accessible if I have to weld one longer or something. And what you'll do is you'll pull it out. The sides will come off, both sides, and then this will fold up, the center part. And then I have peg. These are for your wheel.